Okay, so in this video, we're going to be taking a look at how we can delete and also restore deleted submissions, and also how we can withdraw submissions if submitters request to be withdrawn from the submission process. So first off, let's take a look at deleting submissions. So to do this, we can go to the submissions table. And here it's really just as simple as selecting the submissions that we'd like to delete and then hitting delete selected. And here we're going to see a pop-up because this particular submission has been accepted. So it's going to ask us, are we sure we wish to delete this? And I'm going to go ahead and delete it. And we'll see that the submission disappears from the view. Now let's say I deleted that in error, or I wish to get the submission back. To do this, I can just toggle the View Deleted toggle at the top. And here I'm going to see all of my previously deleted submissions. So all I have to do is select the one I wish to restore, and then hit Restore Selected. So now this submission is going to be in the same state it was when I began the video. So it's going to have all the same reviews and things like this, and the same decisions attached to it. It hasn't been affected by being deleted and then restored. So next, let's take a look at withdrawing submissions. So this can be done from the Decisions table. So if I navigate to the Decisions table, again, we can see all of our submissions here. And to withdraw a submission, all I have to do is change the decision in the drop-down here. So for this one, I'm going to change it from accepted to withdrawn. So this means that we can still see the submission and have a record of it, but the submission won't be in the program or any of the downloads. So it's effectively not really part of the process anymore, but we can still see the submission itself. And of course, at any time, we can revert that decision and actually make it accepted again if we wish to. Okay, so this summarizes how we can delete and then restore submissions, and also how we can withdraw submissions from the submission process. Thank you for watching.